prepare to stop. So we're going slowly. Backward. Oh,
wait, I love the
picture, not picture.
wait.
So this one, we're going to swim over there. And this will be vlog, and my friend is policeman vlogger. Yeah? So he will know soon. I don't have driving license. But we will be together vlogging. So we already know we can jump and swim. Yeah? But not from this bridge. I think. This one looks cool. Słoneczko, you going?
You want to go there first?
Oh, there first.
Yeah. We'll go
Yeah.
to the top first.
Because there is a swim, like a swimming pool, like a bath, nature bath. Bathroom.
Be careful.
That's the floor. The spiders?
Yeah. 7 feet deep. Oh, 7 here. It's
Okay.
2.1 meters. Only center.
Watch your głowa. Słoneczko said, watch your głowa. So quite good stairs. Not like other waterfalls. Nice. Hello.
This is the tallest waterfalls in the world.
In Bohol.
In the world.
So
29
it's
meters high.
okay.
Ayun na ano na.
So this is the highest waterfall in Bohol. So we're going to swim, but first some photos. There.
This one, only swimming.
Yeah,
The
this
sea
one
is
only
deep
swim.
and then not deep.
Uh-huh.
And then the ground mom is just like a muddy. It's soft. Below the falls is 4 feet, not deep. And then there's a cave in the center. You can go inside the cave, but this
Okay.
is a small cave.
Yeah, okay.
And then here, not allowed to climb because this is slippery.
Yeah,
Other side, not allowed to stay there because sometimes it's a falling rocks. Then you can
Okay.
bring your things, you put in there, and then just enjoy the beauty of nature.
okay.
And then
Salamat.
Area,
Can we
and then
go
it's
there?
shallow. Yeah. Can do it. No, we should go there.
Yeah. Słoneczko, striptease. Water is quite cold, good, refreshing time. The highest waterfall in Bohol is El Govici and Słoneczko. from Bulacan in island Lunzon, Tagalog, beautiful creation of nature with Polish nickname Szukasz. Okay, Słoneczko, is it cold water?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we need to do it quickly. Your body say and brain no, but you just follow to the thing which you need to be done. Yes, I know. I got flip-flops. Let's go to the waterfall. This way, Mom. Take the tower. The next door. Tell me your secret. Oh, what's that?
Maybe you can.
Go there.
No.
Wait. Oh shit. It's cold.
Ah, I should. Oh. No, get down.
Oh, this is small but plant. Yeah, this is good for nicer. No? Swimming, training, and take a bath in the same time. Everything. Easy. And there you got shower. Yeah? Thank you. There's the showers. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Paul.